Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change default download location in Windows 11. It's really simple and easy. It will help you to manage storage more efficiently if you have limited space on your primary device. First of all, click on the folder icon on your Windows 11 taskbar. Now click on the Home tab in the left side bar. Here you will see the download folder. Right click on it and select this properties. Then click on this location tab in the top right. Here you can see the current location for download folder. To change it, click on move button, browse and select the new download folder and click on this select folder. Then click on this OK, confirm by clicking on this yes, and then you are good to go. All the files will be moved from current downloads folder to the new location. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change default download location in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.